How's it going, everyone? My name is Stephen French, but some of you may know me better as Abrexis. For those of you who already know me through Twitch, you can find that link to that down here. I think if I can figure out how to do this or angle my hands, it'll go somewhere in there. That is where I've been streaming video games and game development for quite a while, relatively inconsistently. But if you know me through that, or if you know me in real life, then you may know that I've always wanted to kind of start off in YouTube. I've always wanted to bring together a community of people that share the same interests that I have. In an effort to do that, I decided to finally start right now, right here with you guys, and I'd like to see how this can go. So I guess I should start off by introducing myself a bit more and letting you guys know what I plan for this channel and where we have room to grow. So as I've said, my name is Stephen French. I am 25 years old, and if all goes according to plan, I will be 26 on April 30th, the day that Hitler died. Neat. I am approximately this tall when I'm sitting down, and I'm a bit taller when I stand up. On top of that, I am a tricker. I've been practicing martial arts tricking for about 8.5 years. If you don't really know what that is, in short, it's an aesthetic blend of kicking, flipping, and twisting. It kind of takes its roots from various sports like martial arts mainly, gymnastics, breakdancing, and really any other aesthetic movement. We kind of put all those together and just see what we can do as humans being humans. Pretty much, I wanted to be a Power Ranger when I was a kid, and I admired all the flips they can do, and now I can do those flips, so I achieved the goal without the whole vigilante part. Or the superpowers. Well, I guess it's not superpowers, but like the morphing powers, superpowers. This sport, or how I see it, a lifestyle, has really driven my life to where it is today. I wouldn't have come down to Long Island without the sport. I wouldn't have gotten to meet some of the people that I now live with. I live in Long Island's Tricker House, also known as Beastwood, and we have 5 trickers in one roof with a gymnastics spring floor in our living room. It's absolutely bizarre, but it's an incredible life to be living right now. On top of that, I study and teach Kempo Jiu-Jitsu. I'm an instructor at a dojo just maybe 15-minute drive away from my house. And there I teach tricking to the school's demo team. I teach a fantastic group of kids who just took 4th in the nation last year through their NASCA bracket. So we're pretty excited to see how far they can go and what place we can take this year. Tricking being one of the bigger, if not biggest parts of my life, it won't take up too much of this channel outside of when I release new samplers or my own personal blog about what I'm working on type of thing, or just anything related to my life. But a lot of this channel, more of the frequent content, will be geared more towards video games and creating video games. I've been studying computer science for the past few years at Stony Brook and teaching myself a lot of languages in between just through YouTube like this. So what I want to do to kind of get back to that, I want to create a programming tutorial series. I don't want to kind of step on the toes of people that I've learned from or take any views from the other programmers on YouTube. I'll actually refer to them quite a bit and strongly advise that you guys check them out to learn as well. But what I want to do is a little bit different, I feel at least. I would like to make a series dedicated to creating clones of classic games. So let's take some old games at first, maybe Pong, something simple like that, or Space Invaders, Tetris, any simple games, and learn how to make those. We'll learn the language through that. From there, we can start picking up bigger and bigger projects, working on games like Mega Man or Super Ghouls and Ghosts, a personal favorite of mine. I think it could be a great way to learn how to get into programming, how to make your own games, as well as it's going to be really fun just to make some of the classic games that I grew up loving. On top of that, I will use this channel for kind of an update series on games that I'm personally developing, which I typically develop on Twitch, just kind of talking to that community. So if you want to see the programming in real time, you can do that. Or just to see what the progress is, you can come to YouTube for that information. Currently, the main project that I'm working on is a 2D version of Call of Duty Zombies. So we're going to try to work in a lot of Easter eggs and Pack-a-Punch and just have many clever intricacies that we can fit into one title. I stream most of the games that I play through Twitch, so again, you can find me there. Or this channel will be dedicated towards some of those highlights, or maybe if I partake in any competitions or ranked matches, I'll throw those up on this channel as well. But the majority of the gameplay here will be more storyline based, more of a let's play as we work through games like Dark Souls, maybe with creative builds or just trying to make it as difficult as possible. So basically that's what I want to do with this channel. I want to make an experience of my life that other people can experience. Kind of get into the interests that I have get to know some of each other, make friends, learn something from both you to me and me to you, and just overall have a fun place to visit and waste our time on the internet. I hope that some of you might be as excited as I am for this channel. It's something that I'm super nervous about, something I wanted to do for a long time, but I feel like I can finally put in the effort to try to make this something real, something fun. So if you have any questions, any comments, any suggestions, I look forward to reading them in the comments below. And I really want this channel to be driven by the community. So I want to listen to what people want to see and find entertainment that people want to be entertained with, and try to release as much of that as I can. So if you're interested in what this channel might become, please feel free to smash that sub button. And if you'd like to see more of the real-time coding or gaming, then go over to twitch.tv/Abrexas, follow me there, and see what's going on. I don't really use the social media outlets as much. I have a Twitter, a Snapchat, an Instagram. You can find links to those in the description if you're interested. But the only one that is really useful is I will post on Twitter when I'm about to stream live. Other than that, I don't really know how to use Twitter, so maybe I'll learn. But I hope to see you guys here again. I hope you all had a fantastic New Year's celebration. I'm about to go to some friends' houses tonight and then come back here because there's going to be way too many people in my own house. So everybody, please take care, be safe, and shit, I guess I never really thought of an outro. So, bye.